Nueno is a tool that helps you to integrate manual decisions into automated workflows. And this is a quick demo of our request early access flow. I created it in Integromat, but you can use any other workflow automation tool like, for example, Zapier. The first step of our workflow is that a user fills out a type form with their email address. And then there's one additional question about the use case they want to use Nueno for. After that, we do some data enrichment with Clearbit to get all the relevant company and user information from their email address. And now the interesting part happens where we push all the data to Nueno. And this is where we can make a manual decision and decide what should happen next. We can either approve a user and sign them up to our app and they will receive a Slack notification. We can put them on a waiting list and they will be notified with an email. Or if we think that a user has an interesting use case, we can save a record to Airtable and also sign them up to our app. So inside of Nueno, we can either approve a user, put them on a waiting list, save a record to Airtable, or reject the user if we think it's spam. So now let's take a look inside of Nueno. Here we can see all the data we got from Clearbit. And in the last column, we can choose the action that defines what should happen next. So let's say we want to approve this first user. Now we take a look at the second user. And the second user wants to use Nueno for outlier detection of their car scanner sensor data. And this sounds like a pretty interesting use case. So now, when we save these two actions, both users will be signed up to our app and the use case of the second user will be saved as a record to Airtable. So as you can see, it is pretty simple to include routing based on manual decisions with Nueno. Thank you for watching.